My name is Shannon Ambroise. I'm from Evanston, Illinois. I'm an Augustus Tolton Scholar alum, and I graduated from CTU in 2019. So I'm a cancer survivor, so I wanted to find a school that would help me, prepare me for ministry so I could be of service to others. Attending classes at CTU was phenomenal. I met a lot of different people from different countries, lay people, people who are interested in becoming priests, and it was amazing, an amazing experience. I've learned so much from both the lay people and the people who are interested in becoming priests. I think that is something interesting that I've never experienced in undergrad, so it was pretty cool.